Hey guys, Balazs here, and this is the beginning of a new series, mini-series called Filming with Fire. Basically I'll do stuff like you'll see in just a short bit, but I'll do stuff like that and well, take matches, light them on fire, take lighters, turn them off, on and off. Burn a piece of wood, leaves, whatever you suggest. Yeah, so leave your opinion down below, comments on what I should burn or fire up, and enjoy the Filming with Fire first episode. So yeah, I'll see you on Thursday. Bye.